everybody, and welcome to our daily agenda for Monday, November 1st. For today, we are looking at the purpose and rituals or traditions served in a society. Today, we're starting our dystopia unit, chicos. Alright, for today, your do now is Quill. You're going to go ahead and work on that. And then you are going to take your Rikki Tikki Tavi final quiz. For this final quiz, you are going to be taking a 15 question. It has 20 questions in it. You're going to have 10 minutes. It's pretty simple. It's just our final wrap-up on Rikki Tikki Tavi. Then we are doing a little bit of vocab. We're doing some vocabulary for foreshadowing. I want you guys to spend some time really working with foreshadowing, as our next couple of novels will have quite a bit of foreshadowing. Then you are doing just building background on dystopias. We didn't quite get to it today, so we will be working on that next time. Our exit ticket is how does suspense and foreshadowing impact your understanding of the story. Alright, this is all we're really doing. Your vocab's going to be due Sunday, November 7th. That's about it. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me before or after school, and I'll help you guys out. Other than that, I'll see you guys in class. Bye.